Okay, again, I will try to the explanation with a small video about the analytical method and epidemiological method. You just watch and listen that carefully. That's the analytical method. Okay, the main point of analytical method to test the hypothesis. Okay, then hypothesis to test the hypothesis, and when we are testing the hypothesis, we think about 2 point. Okay, we think about the 2 point. If that the hypothesis always represent about the relation between factor 1 or factor 2. Okay, we will discuss later what is the factor 1 or factor 2 in this analytical method to test the hypothesis. Or when we are testing two hypotheses, we think about 2 point. Statistical association in hypothesis, we will be find out about the statistical hypothesis of statistical association of hypothesis. Statistical hypothesis, that means that numerical correlation calculation. Okay, and then second point, if suppose that there is correlation between factor 1 or factor 2 in hypothesis, then we just make to try more more strength or more accuracy about the association. Okay, now now this point, then suppose we take one example: smoking causes lungs cancer. Suppose this is the one type of hypothesis. This is the one particular common statement and hypothesis. There is the smoking, there's a one factor, or lungs cancer is the factor 2. In statistical, in research language, the f1 or f2 also known as dependent variable or independent variable. But right now we can't we understand the things of that variables of like dependent or not variables. We focus only like these common things, factor 1 or factor 2. So in our study, the main point, we just make the relation between two, that one. That relation is already find out by someone, but we test to the relation, that relation is correct or not, like that one. Smoking causes lungs cancer, this sentence is wrong or correct. That means f1 or f2, it's correlated with each other or not, like that. So then in this type, we we proved f1 f2 relations. That means what the relation between of the this one. Okay, between of the this one, if relation good, if relation good, then we find out more close relation. This point reflect about the this one point. Because if the relation is find out little more things, but we just detect about the more detail in relationship. Okay, if no relation is accepted, then we can test the relation. So this is the technical foundations of that particular method. Now we just lead to the about the it's a type. There is a two types of method in the analytical method, or in analytical method. There is a first one, case control study, then second one, cohort study. Okay, there is two type. Then why we are just only the think about the two type? Because the statement in this situation, hypothesis is the statement, we test the hypothesis. Okay, so we test the hypothesis, though then what the conditions will be there, how we will we start the study. So there is a two technique point. We study like as a retrospective or like a prospective. Case control always represent about the retrospective. Case control method, that means retrospective matlab, that means present to the past, present, that means in all over the study point, we already have diagnosis and cause known. Because in hypothesis declare about like lungs cancer, smoking causes lungs cancer, so we have the lungs cancer like a disease, and smoking we have like a factor. But in study we just test to them. So first method, case control method, like a retrospective method, like a present to past. Okay, so in this method, case and control method, we just think about the present to past. Suppose we have some samples and we ask to the past history, whatever condition is on that, like that one. Then cohort, cohort study, it represent about the prospective type. Prospective, that means present to the future. Present to the future. Okay. Suppose we known about the correlation already in hypothesis that lungs cancer and causal. Okay. So in this situation, what we will be do? We just take the uh, smokers patients, okay, and we just observe together in future time up to 4 5 year 4 year. Then if they will go to the lungs cancer, then we can say yes, smoking causes a lungs cancer. So that's another method. Or in this one, retrospective, if the person is have lungs cancer, we can ask to the past life history. If they have the common factor like smoking, then we can say about that this is the this is the important factor to cause the lungs cancer. So there is a two type of method in. Okay, now we can just go to lead in detail conditions. In first one, case control studies. Case control studies is the one type of method of an analytical. Here the case is the specified population and control is the specified population. It means total is the sample population. In the sample population, we just divide into two type population, case and control. Case and control. Case population always represent how their diagnosis, but control have not be diagnosis. But both the populations group have the same similar geographical area, similar biographical area, similar nutritional condition, similar educational point. Well, all the condition of demographic point is will be same. So in the case, we focus only the our study point in on that particular thing, case 2, case 1, that one, or this is only the like just for reference. That is not any not the disease conditions. Okay.